Hello students, how you all are? I hope you all will be fine. Today we will be having a test of two chapters in English grammar and pronouns. First one is pronouns and second one is articles and determinants. Very easy chapters. You have to only listen my words, allow my words to enter inside your ear, and you know everything. Lots of discussions have been done in the classes, and so many exercises also we have done. So a short revision we will be doing, and it will be helpful for you in attempting the questions. So first of all, pronouns. Pronouns is what? Pronouns are replacing words. Which type of replacing words? Which come in the place of a noun. Any word which comes in the place of a noun. Suppose that he, she, it, they, their, we, our, us. These types of words which come in the place of some noun are called pronoun. Now, kinds of pronouns we will be studying. How many kinds of pronouns are there? So first is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are relate to the person. We have studied in the concept of person. We have studied in the grammar. First person, second person, third person. If I am talking to you and I am talking about myself, suppose that if I say I get up early in the morning, now I am the first person. If I am talking about you, you should also get up early in the morning. So you is the second person. And if we both are talking to a third person, that they do not get up early in the morning. So they is the third person. So this is the concept of person. So which words which links with this which is related to the persons. The concept of person in grammar, that type of pronouns are called personal pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, they. I, we is the first person, you is the second person, he, she, they is the third person. Now, coming over to possessive. Possessive, we all know, it shows the possession, ownership, right. So, what is the possessive pronoun? Suppose that hers, mine, theirs. One thing we have to keep in mind. If I am saying her answer was not clear. Now here her is the adjective. Her answer was not clear because her जो है वो answer के लिए आ रहा है and answer is a noun. तो but if I say the answer of hers is not clear, तो जो है hers वो pronoun हो जाएगा. So her और hers में अंतर है. Her is a adjective and hers is a pronoun. My is the adjective and mine is the pronoun. हाँ, his की बात अगर हम करें तो his जो है वो adjective में भी आता है और his जो है pronoun में भी आता है. But again there is adjective and theirs is a pronoun. So you don't get confused. If hers, mine and theirs are written, then only it is possessive pronoun. Otherwise, if her, my and their is written, that is adjective. Now coming over to demonstrative. Demonstrative, it shows the demonstration. It means we show something. We indicate to someone. Suppose that this pen is mine. This, that, these types of words to which we indicate something, that is called demonstratives. Demonstrative pronoun. First is interrogative. No need to explain. For interrogating something, for questioning something, what, where, how. Reflexive. Reflexive words come from the word reflection. The light from the sunlight comes and it just touches the surface and it reflects back towards eyes. So reflection means if something is just coming back to itself. So that is why it reflexive. Reflexive means himself. यहाँ पर self लगता है. Himself, herself. I have done my work, myself. He has done his work, himself. She has done her work, herself. तो यहाँ पर reflexive pronoun है. जहाँ पर खुद ही वो बात लौट करके उसके ऊपर पहुँच जाए, that is called reflexive pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. Emphatic is again it is same as reflexive. Whatever is जो reflexive है वही emphatic भी है. But here यहाँ पर emphatic में हम अपनी बात पर ज़्यादा बल देते हैं. We give more force on my word. Suppose that if I say I myself have done my work. अगर हम कहते हैं I have done my work myself, then myself would be reflexive pronoun. And if I am giving more focus, I myself have done my work. I am giving more focus on my work. So here myself will be emphatic. So it is also same as it is there, but here more force is given. Relative pronoun. Relative pronouns relates to two sentences. When we join two sentences, and for joining those two sentences we use interrogative pronouns. Here you have written here what, were, how, and here also who, whom, whose. what, were, how relative से भी हम relative pronoun में भी use करते हैं. But जहाँ पर हम किसी इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ड से दो सेंटेंस को जोड़ते हैं तब वो इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन नहीं होता है, बट दैट इज अ रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. सपोज दैट आई नो द बॉय हु गॉट द फर्स्ट रैंक. सो हियर अब यहाँ पर हु जो आया है वो इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन नहीं है, बट दैट इज रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन, क्योंकि यहाँ वो क्वेश्चन पूछने के काम में हु नहीं आया है, बट इट इज यूज्ड फॉर ज्वाइनिंग टू सेंटेंसेस. सो इट इज रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. एंड इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन, इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन नहीं, फर्स्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन मतलब होता है जैसे कई सारे लोग बैठे हैं, उनमें से चॉइस के ऊपर है. सपोज दैट ईदर, नीदर, ईच. सपोज दैट इफ आई से ईच वन विल गेट अ टॉफी, ईच ऑफ द स्टूडेंट विल गेट अ टॉफी. तो ईच मतलब सबको, हर एक को अलग अलग मिलेगा. एवरी, ईच. अच्छा, वन थिंग इज देयर इन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ईच एंड एवरी. ईच जो है सबके बारे में बात करता है अलग अलग सबके बारे में, और एवरी भी सबके बारे में बात करता है अलग अलग. बट एवरी बात करता है सबको, सबके साथ वही चीज़ होगी, बट सीरीज में वन बाय वन. सपोज दैट डोंट गेट हेक्टिक, एवरी वन विल गेट अ चॉकलेट. So everyone means one by one, one by one, one by one. Everybody will get a chocolate. And if I say each of you will get a chocolate, so that there also you will get a chocolate, but it is not one by one. You will get, then after that someone will get. After means it can be a gap can also be there, but in every it is a type of series. So this is distributives. Indefinite is what, where it is name is indefinite, which is not definite, and not definite means about something which we do not know. Someone, no one, everyone. About means we can guess, we cannot know very exactly about anything. So these types of things where we cannot know anything exactly, we do not know. Someone came here, but who came here I don't know. So this is indefinite pronoun. This was the first chapter. Second is articles and determinants. What are articles and determinants? They are indicating words. They are used to indicate something. If it is asked what is articles, indicating words, replacing words, naming words, you will say indicating words. Now there are 6 types of articles. It can also be asked, there can be 6 types of determinants. It can also be asked how many types of determinants are there, you will say sir 6 types of. Acha, articles or determinants, the chapter is related to pronouns only. If you are knowing pronouns, you will be easily able to understand this type of, because they are the same thing, near about. First is articles. Articles is, there are 3 types of articles, a, an and the. A and an are definite articles, and the is indefinite article. A and an are used before a singular thing and singular countable thing, and a is used before consonant and an is used before the vowel. वॉवेल में कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि वॉवेल वर्ड ही रहे, बट वॉवेल साउंड भी हो सकता है. जैसे मैं कहूँ एमपी, एमपी में एम जो है वो वॉवेल नहीं है, बट उसकी वॉइस वॉवेल की आ रही है, तो वी विल से एन एमपी. अब यूनिवर्सिटी, यूनिवर्सिटी में यू जो है वो वॉवेल नहीं है, बट वी विल से यूनिवर्सिटी में यू वॉवेल है, बट वहाँ पर हम एन यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं करते, वी से अ यूनिवर्सिटी. तो वर्ड ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं रखता, बट हाउ इट साउंड्स. So if it is sounding like a vowel, then it will be use a, and if it is sounding like consonant, we will use a. And the is indefinite. The is the definite article, and these are indefinite article. A and an are indefinite article, and the is the definite article, isn't it? The is the definite article. So the is the definite article where we know anything. The boy who came here is my boy, is my brother. So where anything is defined, so the is definite article and a and n is the indefinite article. The rest of the things are like only pronouns only. Demonstrative, here also demonstrative, you see, demonstrative, this, that, these. This is also, this is a pronoun also, and it is also used to indicate something. Indicating words, it is also there. That is why it is pronoun also, and it is indicating word also, determinants also. Possessive, you see, possessive is a pronoun also. See here, possessive of pronoun also, and it is used for indicating also. That is why it is a pronoun also and indicating also. A and the. This is the adjective. Articles are adjective, but rest are the things are pronoun. They act as a pronoun. Quantifiers, few, some, much, enough. Quantifier, ये word बनता है, quantifier बनता है quantity से, और quantity, few, some, much, enough, इससे हमको quantity का पता चलता है. तो जिससे हमें quantity का पता चले, that is quantifier. And distributives, फिर वही बात आ गई, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव्स, ईच, एवरी, नाइदर, ईदर, all the things, they are pronoun also, and they are coming here as the indication also to indicate something. That is why they are determinants. Interrogatives, here also interrogatives, they act as a pronoun also, and here which, what, whom, how, and this they come as the indication also. So you all know everything. So 6 types of determinants are there, and we have understood it. And be remain active at the link at the given time, and do the paper nicely. So all the best. Have a wonderful day.